your slug catcher level is
Yeah. Here, if
somewhere.
you see,
Because this is closing of inadvertent closure, right? So it
yeah,
can be closed when the level, for example, is low. Or
correct.
when the level is even high than normal, someone can close also. So this response time depends on that level during the time of closure.
أيوة, but the response time for the level here, I think we have to
No,
check
it
it.
will be linked to the level more or less.
Yeah?
Not direct, the flow is not direct to the level, but if we're talking about high to high level, then that we can take the response time. But here, very difficult to
The large window for the response time when the level go high.
yes. But here, when you talk about low flow against high level, it's not linked.
No, no. Even what I was understanding, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not a process guy. I would say that
Okay.
if the bottom of the, if you're able to see my screen,
Right?
you're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are saying low flow here in the downline. Yes,
Right.
maybe the full low flow is a emergency function we don't consider. So here, the moment if something goes wrong here, so there is a low flow.
Yeah. Somebody
The
closes
moment
this
low flow
valve.
starts, it will take time to go on high level.
Yes,
So
that's correct.
we should ensure that before it goes high level, we have to take a corrective action. So what is the inventory? What is the size of this slack catcher? And how
Okay,
soon
let
this
me
will
just
get
see
changed?
it.
It will be from the normal level to high level. Because we didn't assume two ups at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's carry on. I will just
Yeah, and what we need here, what is the set point for this alarm? What do you dedicate? And there is enough time to the operator to respond or not? And if there is a low
okay,
flow,
it's nothing to do with the
low flow
nothing to
it
do
will
with
be
the
finished.
flow.
But now we tackle under the high level,
Yeah.
not low flow. Because
Yeah.
the mitigated consequence related to level.
أيوة ما أنا what I said from beginning خالد يعني and you say no
Yes.
and now we turn back to
هيبقى
level.
it will be the time taken from normal liquid level to high liquid level. This
Yes,
is my understanding.
yes, right. This is what we said.
Yes.
Yeah,
from-
you can see the timing from the vessel filling, no? How much time put in the normal
Yeah.
liquid to the
Yeah,
high
yeah,
level.
Yes, we have the side
So,
calculation.
No, we
So,
don't
yeah,
Understand
correct.
from normal liquid level to high
Yes,
liquid level how much
yes.
time.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
I will look at the
Correct.
sizing
Yeah.
calculation. Yeah.
Before it touching to the high level, in the high level
Opportunity interval,
alarm.
yes.
Yes.
Opportunity interval.
Yes. So what is the size of this?
6.89 minutes. 6 minutes.
6 minutes. Okay.
6.8 minutes, something like that. Yeah. Based on our calculated.
From where to where?
Where?
From normal level
From
to the
normal
high
to
level.
high.
The normal.
No, high is stripping. Before that, there is
5
one high
minutes.
alarm, right? Yeah, 5 minutes, right? That means high priority. Yeah.
Normal
Yeah,
to
yeah.
high is 5 minutes.
Normal to high 5 minutes.
Correct. So okay. So I will take 5 minutes only, and let us consider 5 minutes.
So it will be
I mean, we need. I mean, this is the prompt category, and this is of course a process. This is
it
of
will
course a
be
process alarm.
yeah, process alarm. Yeah.
Yeah. And the